Okay guys, here's another kit all set up and ready to go. This one is another prototype kit like some of the other ones I've done before. In this case, this is going on a Daytona 190 flat tracker. I'll probably have the picture in the thumbnail anyway, but this is basically what the kit looks like. It's for a smaller bike, kind of a pit bike style deal. And the customer decided that if he was going to sell these to his customers, because he owns a little dealership for those little bikes, is that he would like a little light bar. So I got a light bar that is a projector beam, so it's not a floodlight. That way you're not just blinding everybody on the road, obviously, and that's what inspectors look for as well. And these bar mounts, it has like literal flat tracker style bars, so these are made to pivot to mount to the bars however he wants, and then this will just kind of look like an old school crossbar almost. And these are probably not the final mounts for this, but it will work for what we're doing right now. But anyway, that's kind of what the setup looks like, and everything is plugged in, and I will power it up and show you guys what's going on. Alright, here you go. This is what the bar switch looks like. So power on, you just press that top button. That light bar powers on, and just blinded myself. Anyway, so this is the taillight design for the application. Just because it's so small, I had to just do a complete redesign. But it's got a little plate light on there, brake light, and these are the blinkers, which I guess I could dim the lights here. I've got my shop lights on, but if I turn those off, you can see just exactly how bright everything is. And that's what the blinker's gonna look like on there. This is more of like a spotlight almost. So these are gonna be super bright. Basically just light up everything underneath there. And then obviously the front, like I normally have, and the right as well. So that's how that's gonna work. And let me turn these back on here. Basically, the only thing different from my normal kits is everything's a lot shorter wiring. I had to make this specific for the bike since he's looking to sell, you know, multiples of that bike with the Street Legal kit on it. And then here I've got a little flasher relay. I 3D printed a cover for this just because the normal ones are like super huge, but the only thing that's in it is this thin, tiny little control board. So I just decided to make that smaller because, I mean, the bike is small, so I wanted it to be as compact as possible. And he also opted for having a foot brake banjo bolt and a handbrake banjo bolt on here, so that's what I did for him. But yeah, gonna box this up and ship it out along with my other 6 orders this weekend. So anyway, if you guys have anything custom or weird like this, let me know. I'm especially interested right now in dealerships that have electric bikes like the Stark Varg and the Talaria and the Sur-Ron. So I'd be happy to work with you to get something set up for any of those. And obviously, if you're buying multiples, you will be getting them at a better price as well. So anyway, that's it for tonight, I think. Got a couple more things to do, but that's about it. So if you have any questions, like always, just post it in the comments.